Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we look through this channel's journey of 2020. Cue the intro. Now, I can appreciate that it's been an interesting year, some really good and some really bad stuff. It's been a off-the-wall weird 2020. I'm not here to say it has not been in any way, but what I want to do is look at the positives, because this is a positive channel, and look at what the Helmet Head channel journey has been through 2020, because we've had some absolutely nuts times. It's been, on the channel side, absolutely awesome. We've literally sold t-shirts and mugs and things around the world. We've been invited by main dealers to go and test ride bikes. We've been taken on adventures. It has been absolutely craziness, and we've raised money and had an absolute blast while this has been happening. The one thing I'll turn around and say is, if you haven't subscribed to this channel and you've been watching these videos, it is free to subscribe. Just click on that subscribe button, click on the bell button, and you'll get to know when these videos are popping up on YouTube. Now, this channel is massively based on positivity, fun, crazy, and a bit of a giggle, and my sort of thing I always want to do is bring the fun back to biking, and I generally feel like we've done that. We've got some absolutely awesome patrons that we've gained patrons throughout the time. They help basically sponsor this channel, to financially support this channel to be able to do some of the stuff that it does. We got donations to make things happen this year. It's just been absolutely nuts. Now, all I want to turn around and say is that this is a montage of all the sort of bits and bobs. There's loads I've had to miss out because it would go on forever. This is already a long montage, but this is a montage of the 2020 sort of highlights of this year. I couldn't get them all on because I have had a lot of equipment, including editing software change, and I have gone from Windows to Mac, so I haven't been able to use the Mac, the Windows stuff on the Mac, etc, etc. But there is quite a lot to look back to, and it has been just an absolutely amazing journey. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to give you the Helmet Head journey of 2020. Hopefully, if you've not seen all of the bits you've seen in these clips, you will go back and watch the series, because there's lots of playlists, lots of series to be watched. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to give you the Helmet Head 2020 journey. Enjoy.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us, please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. You're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. Had to convince my friends this time. Think you're toxic to my mind, but I know they don't know what you're all about. The way you hold my body tight, staying up talking through the night. Yeah, I know they just don't. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. I need more of. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. Why don't you stay? Why don't we talk about this? Why don't you stay? Why don't we talk about this? With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Dancing around your feet until the beat start again. Oh, and then do it the same. Magnetized, you feel a big appeal, flying high. Oh, just like a moth to the flame. When you get that feeling, they can be deceiving. Tell it like it is, 'cause I need to know you were playing with fire. Can't you see? You better take it easy, let it go, 'cause you should've known better. You should've known better. Heading for the street, into the heat of the night. Yeah, alright, do it again. You should have seen it come. You acted numb, don't deny. You are like a moth to the flame. When you get that feeling, they can be deceiving. Tell it like it is, 'cause I need to know you were playing with fire. Can't you see? You better take it easy, let it go, 'cause you should've known better. You should've known better. Your hands are full of matches.
Well, there you go. That has been an incredible year, and like I said, there's loads more videos out there and loads more episodes. We're now over 200 videos available to watch of the helmet head craziness on YouTube. People to go back, playlists, the fun, the craziness, it is all there. I couldn't put everybody in everything that's happened this year, and I'm sure some people will be a little bit annoyed they went on there, and I apologise for that, but like I said, there's been so much to fit in. It's been absolutely nuts. And like I've said before, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do. Now 2020 is soon coming to a close, and it'll be 2021. There is so much in the background that I just want to burst out and tell you all the little plans and things we've got going on. But of course, I've got to wait and save them, because whatever I seem to put up, I'm sure somebody will go and do it. And there's a couple of things that I believe could be the first for this channel, and maybe for the motorcycle world, happening next year. And there's some absolutely crazy nuts adventures. I am in talks with some massive names in the motorcycle world to potentially lend me bikes, and big brands, to get them on the channel next year. So it could be one of the most craziest, exciting 2021s, bigger, better than ever. So hopefully you'll see me in a video soon announcing some of this absolutely craziness. But for now, all I want to turn around and say is thank you to my patrons for all your financial support. You guys have got me through 2020, and you've helped me be able to do all the things this channel has managed to achieve. So I thank you so much. All those people that donated towards that charity trip, and all the donations that came in to help the people with PTSD, that was absolutely deep down humbling to me. So thank you so much. And of course, all the people that subscribe to this channel, I do appreciate it. If without you guys, there wouldn't be a Helmet Head channel. So please, if you haven't, click that subscribe list. And remember, the merchandise is all available if you want to buy anybody anything for Christmas. The t-shirts, the hoodies, the water bottles, the amazing Helmet Head mug. There's loads of stuff on there. Go and check that. There's all links for everything down in that description. But anyway, there's still a little bit more fun to have this year before we actually close off. I just want to show you the highlights. But just for now, as always, eat pies, ride motorcycles, be happy. See you in the next crazy Helmet Head adventure. Bye bye for now.